Hello friends, this video is in continuation of the endocrine glands. I know many of you have been waiting and messaging me. Yeah, I'm sorry for posting it late. Okay, so these endocrine glands, as we have discussed, we have helped many people, especially women, in their menopause, for their hot flushes and sleepless nights, and also in balancing the hormones very easily by just applying seeds on the correspondence of the insect and the hand correspondence. We have got beautiful results. We can also balance and help people in the autoimmune diseases by balancing the endocrine glands. So let's see how we are going to place on the hand correspondence and the insect correspondence. So this is hypothalamus on the top of the thumb, and the pituitary comes in the center of the eyebrows. So this will come on the face near the eyebrows. You can place it like this. Then the thyroid gland will come here, and parathyroid and thyroid are very close. Then it is thymus. So we can just apply these 4 seeds. Okay. So hypothalamus, pituitary, then thyroid and thymus. These are 4 over here. Then comes the ovaries and testes for the male. Testes will come over here. And pancreas over here. So these covers the inside, and only adrenal glands will come. Adrenal gland is above the kidneys correspondence. So for the placement of the kidney, you just go from between these 2 fingers straight, and you find a deep groove over there. That is the kidney, and top of that adrenal gland is like a cap. So from here again you go and you get a groove, that is the kidney place. Over top of that is the adrenal glands. So these are the 2 adrenal glands. So this covers the hand correspondence of the endocrine glands. And to place the endocrine glands on the insect correspondence, I always used it on the right hand ring finger. Why did I take right hand ring finger? Because this is homo, and in one hand, both the hands you can take, and one hand is earth element according to the Ayurvedic acupressure. This comes into the earth element, and this comes into the nervous system. So when you can apply the seeds on the endocrine glands correspondence, one day on right hand ring finger and one day on the left hand ring finger. So it will be very, very effective. And by the triogen, these are both homo, because the body is become homo, the mind is become homo. So it really helps. So I always try to take the ring fingers, which has really helped. So you can just see how we are going to place the endocrine glands on the insect system. It will be the same way, similar way. Hypothalamus on the top, then pituitary in this case will be little above, and thyroid gland, then thymus, then the pancreas, and the 2 ovaries, and the testes will come down like this. So this way we can use and adrenal gland will be at the back. Okay, so we can check and find the painful points, and there we can apply black pepper or methi seeds. We can keep the seeds for 6 to 8 hours, and this will really help you. Initially you can apply for 20 days regularly, then you can make it alternate day. By doing this, the endocrine glands will become balanced and it will really help you in many issues. On other hand, if you see, it is almost covering the whole body. It is covering almost the whole body. So this is very, very effective. Do try this on the chronic patients and you will get good results. Anyone who is even not knowing Sujok can also apply this. This is the picture of the endocrine gland on the insect system, on the thumb and the finger. So you can see it very clearly how we can apply the seeds. Anyone who is not knowing Sujok, they can also do this and take the advantage. So do apply this, friends, and give me your smile feedback. Thank you.